Hello everyone, this week have two parts. The first part is aviate navigation and communication. There are some challenges for project managers. The background is signed a SAP implementation contract with consulting company, completed 50% of the work. There are some new challenges. The consulting firm is being sued for breach of contract, which could lead to bankruptcy. So there have some objectives: respond, navigate, and communicate to minimize the impact on project schedule and budget. The first question is how to respond, navigate, and communicate with senior management. For respond, calmly assess the status of the project and ensure that control of the project is maintained. That means a detailed understanding of the progress of the current work, especially the 50% completed. Understand the direct and indirect impact a consulting firm bankruptcy can have on a project. For navigation, assess project progress and budget, determine the actual cost of remaining work, and understand the possible potential risks. Identify alternative critical paths and possible solutions to mitigate potential impact on project schedule and budget. For communication, establish an urgent communication channel to communicate the situation and resolution to senior management, clearly stating the current legal issues and the potential impact that the consulting firm's bankruptcy may have on the project. Provide detailed information about the work completed and the remaining work, as well as the additional costs required to complete the remaining work. The second question is how to reply to the vice president. First, stay calm and professional and avoid emotional reaction. Second, acknowledge the difficulties and challenges faced by the project and express understanding of the VP's point of view. Third, describe the risk management work that has been undertaken and refer to the due diligence of the consulting firm. Fourth, explain the unpredictability of risk. Next, emphasize the importance of teamwork and let the vice president know that the entire team is working together to solve the problem. Last, commit to further improve the risk management process, emphasizing that the team will take proactive steps to address current issues. The second part is outsourcing, big savings and big risks. So the question is risks encountered when outsourcing abroad. For technical risk, there are three aspects. The first is jet lag and communication barriers. Outsourcing abroad can lead to significant jet lag between teams, affecting real-time communication and collaboration. To manage this risk, develop a clear communication plan, including regular meetings and communication channels. Use collaborative tools and techniques to compensate for time differences and ensure that critical information can be transmitted across time zones. Second, security and data privacy issues. Cross-border outsourcing may involve different regulations and standards, which may lead to compliance issues regarding data privacy and security. To manage this, ensure that both parties clearly comply with data privacy regulations. Use encryption to protect data transmission and sign specific contractual clauses to ensure data security. Last is skills shortages and training needs. Outsourcing areas may have skills shortages that require additional training and adaptation periods to accommodate project needs. To manage this risk, specify the training plan in the contract and share related documentation and knowledge base with the outsourcing team. Conduct regular skill assessments to ensure that the outsourced team can meet the project needs. The non-technical risk has only one aspect, that is political and legal uncertainty. Organizations that outsource abroad may be affected by factors such as political unrest, legal changes, or trade disputes, which can lead to uncertainty in project execution. To manage this risk, in-depth understanding of the political and legal environment in outsourced regions, working with legal professionals to ensure compliance, establish flexible contract terms to accommodate possible political and legal changes. Thanks.